welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be putting the new wheels on the Celica. As you can see, the old wheels are pretty crispy, quite badly corroded, quite renowned for this actually. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jack the car up, get attacked by horseflies and pop the new wheels on. So that's the wheel all off. You may have seen in a previous video that I actually replaced the shocks and springs on here. I've had a good clean up on here as well. But I did notice I've lost a couple of clips just from the trim. So I went online, I'm just on Amazon, and ordered a set of body clips. So hopefully in this selection I should have the right ones. So I'll have a dig around in there, see if I can replace the ones that I'm missing. Then I'm going to give the actual new wheels a coat of wax, just the auto finesse, to protect them a little bit on the inside, to stop them from corroding, and hopefully to keep them a little bit cleaner for a little bit longer. I usually find this is quite a good idea when you've got new wheels or you've refurbed a set of wheels. Just gives them a little bit of extra protection from brake dust, etc. I like to do this every so often. When I wash the car, say every 6 months or so, I'll take the wheels off and give them another coat of wax. Just give them a little extra protection. Okay, I'll let that dry for about 10 minutes or so and buff it off, and I'll do the faces. Didn't come out too bad, these wheels actually. I might give them a bit of a machine polish actually, because when I've actually done a bit of wet flat in there, it's still got a bit of a dull area, so I might just, when they're on the car, just pop out the machine polisher and just polish these edges here, just give them a bit more sheen. I think I'll do that next. Right, I'll get this one on the car then. As you can see, I've got the rear wheel on as well. So what I'm doing is just give it a quick buff over with the machine polisher with a 3M cutting head. I need a new cutting head actually, it's getting a bit worn, this one. So I'll have to get online and order one of those I think as well. I'll be using the Ultimate Polish by Maguire's. Just give a buff over and then I'll give it a good wax with some Auto Finesse wax. It's probably going to splatter everywhere. I won't be able to get into all the small areas, but I'll just do my best. I have to order a little smaller polisher as well at some point, just so I can do the little jobs like this, just on a slow speed. That's much nicer. See the metal flake in there as well a little better now. Okay, so I'll just bang some wax on there now, and then I'll put some tyre glue on the actual tyre walls. I like to use the Pro Clean Black Magic Tyre Glue. It's really good because you can use it on tyres, you can use it on plastics, trim as well. It does a really nice job. You don't get a lot of tyre fling with it either, so you don't go all up your quarter panels, etc. Okay, I'll let that dry for a couple of minutes, and I'll give it another coat. Much nicer and shiny. Nice clean finish, does the car justice. I actually went for a slightly higher tyre wall as well, from a 50 to a 55. A few reasons really. Close the gap up a little bit more ride comfort, and cost. Probably saved me £70–80 for a set of 4 tyres just by having a larger sidewall, which sounds ridiculous really. You think you're having less rubber, you'd pay less money, but it doesn't seem to work that way. But I think it looks fine. I quite like the big tyre look. Okay, I'm going to turn the car around now and do the other two. So I've just turned the car around to do this side. Just going to give you a comparison. There's the old one. Go around the other side. There's the new. Fills the gap in the arch a lot more. Looks a hell of a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. I like that. So I'm going to always jack this side up now. Get the wheels off, but first of all, it's time for a cup of tea and a flapjack. So all finished. I think you'll agree, it looks a lot nicer. Fills the arches a lot more. Just nice for a daily, nice daily driver. So the next thing I think I'm going to do is remove this cheap eBay front splitter that I put on a while ago, and probably put on the GT splitter. I've seen some fiberglass copies on eBay which go for quite a good price, so I might just get one of those, paint that up, put that on, because I think it's going to look a lot nicer than that. I want it to look sort of standard-ish anyway, and that was just an experiment really, which I'm really not happy with. The vinyl's starting to come off as well. So I may even peel this vinyl off, just go back to the black. I don't know, there's rubbish cheap vinyl as well. Split through there, look. Yes, I'll probably peel that off, I think. So that'll be an upcoming project I think on this, and that'll probably be about it, except for maybe a new engine eventually. Because it has got quite high miles on this, but it's still going strong, so I don't know, I'll see how I feel in the future. But I think this project's pretty much about done. It's going to be my daily driver, so I just want it to look nice and be reliable. Don't want to go for stupid power or anything like that. I don't want to turbo it or supercharge it. So yeah, needs a wash. Definitely needs a wash. Something to do with that. Okay, so I hope you've liked this video. It's just been a short, interesting one, I think. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you on the next one.